everyone, we are Group 9. Today we are going to talk about the impact of plastic waste on marine animals. Plastic is everywhere in our lives. For example, the straw we drink every day, the garbage bag for things are all. But plastic can be broken down by our nature, and it will eventually become small particles and come back to our lives. And the plastic that doesn't become small particles will even flow into the ocean and be eaten by marine animals. So now, let's see how plastic waste affects our ocean.
Plastics offer a convenient life for people. We can see them everywhere in our life. Over 300 million tons of plastics are produced every year, half of which is used to create single-use items such as shopping bags, cups, and straws. Those items have a lifespan of mere minutes to hours, yet they may persist in the environment for hundreds of years, causing severe environmental, social, economic, and health consequences. At least 14 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean every year. Plastic debris is currently the most abundant type of litter in the ocean, making up 80% of marine debris found from surface water to deep sea sediment. Plastic is found on the shorelines of every continent, with more plastic waste found near popular tourist destinations and densely populated areas. The main source of plastic debris found in the ocean are land-based, coming from urban and stormwater runoff, seawall overflows, littering, inadequate waste disposal and management, industrial activities, tree abrasion, construction, and illegal dumpings. Ocean-based plastic pollution originates primarily from the fishing industry, nautical activities, and aquaculture. Most plastic items never fully disappear. They just break down into smaller and smaller pieces. The small size makes them easy for marine life to ingest accidentally.
Since the 1950s, a total of at least 8.3 billion tons of plastics has been produced worldwide, and countless plastic wastes have drifted into the ocean and other natural environments, becoming chronic pain for animals. I will mention three of the most common animals as example. The first one is seabirds. Some studies estimate that 90% of seabirds currently contain plastic, and it is expected to reach 99% by 2050. Seabirds like to eat fish eggs, squid, and krill floating on the sea surface, and it is easy to mistake plastic waste for food. In addition to accidental ingestion, birds are often entangled in plastic, making it difficult to break free. This affects birds' movement and even hinders blood circulation and affects growth. The next one is whales. Plastics are found in whale stomachs from time to time around the world. Scientists have found fragments of various marine debris in the bodies of 48 species of whales and dolphins, nearly half of which are plastic. In 2019, a sperm whale about 40 meters long ran aground on a Scottish beach. After the autopsy, it was found that there were nearly 100 kilograms of plastic and garbage in its digestive system, including ropes, fishing nets, plastic bags, and so on. Researchers believe that it starved to death because its intestines were so full of garbage that it could no longer progress food and absorb nutrients. The last one is turtles. I believe many people have seen pictures of turtles swallowing plastic bags by mistake as jellyfish. Turtles are particularly attracted by marine plastic waste because microorganisms and algae will attack to marine waste. In addition, after soaking the plastic for a long time, it will release a chemical substance that makes turtles think it is food. A study estimated that as many as 52% of turtles in the world have eaten plastic by mistake. Among that, the mortality of young turtles after eating plastic waste is higher than adult turtles.
After listening to the above examples, I believe that everyone has learned the harm of plastic waste to Earth and marine life. In addition to the above examples, there are also a most well-known one, that is, the straw in the turtle's nose. And in the film, the pen of the turtle believes that everyone can feel it. I hope that everyone can reduce the use of plastic and save the marine life, and protect us all. Let's reduce the use of plastic and protect the ocean world. And this is the end of our video. Thank you for listening.